Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
Hello students, today in this video class we will start our second chapter, meaning and objective of accounting. So my dear students, at on previous video classes we have completed a second chapter, a basic of terminologies of accounting. So those terminologies we have used during the accounting I have to be explained on the last previous classes. So you have to already introduce which type accounting words we have to be uses under the accountancy or under the accounting. So my dear students, before the starting the second chapter, I will explain that why we have to need of a accounting, what is the role of a accounting in our business organizations, and which type work we have to be done under the accounting, and the business are how to maintain our accounts. So before starting the chapter, first I will discuss with the business transactions. Those are done in the business organizations into the short form. So now let's see the board for the question. Ram started a business on 1st January 2016 with a capital of 1 lakh. It is a clear mention is here. A person, those are owner, starting a business on 1st Jan 2016 with a capital of 1 lakh. Purchase goods from Gopal 40,000 because Ram is doing a business, so they have to need for the purchasing a goods. They are purchasing the goods from Gopal. It means there is a credit purchase. I have to be explained at the time of accounting terminologies. Sold goods 40,000. It means not a mention is there cash or credit. It means it is a cash goods sold. And withdrawal for person use for good costing 5,000. And Ram has to withdraw. The person use from the business is 5,000. Purchase goods for cash 30,000. And credit sale to Karan 5,000. Goods returned to Gopal. The goods purchased from Gopal is here 40,000 and returned to Gopal is 1,000. And cash paid to Gopal 37,500. Return defective goods by Karan 500. And salary and rent paid to Vinay is 1,000. It is a expenses because the firm are running. They are doing some work for transactions for buying and selling of the goods. So that they have to need for the paying the expenses. And commission received from Sanjay is 1,000. It is the income. And introduce additional capital is 80,000. At the time of the more need of the capital, Ram are introducing a capital of 80,000 in during the year. So it was the business transactions. Those are done by the Ram in the business for running the business. So friends, here a few questions are rising in the accounting. That first question is, how much capital is invested at the end of the year? First question is, how much capital are invested at the end of the year? My point is clear. Second question is rising there, how much amount they are able to pay and how much amount they will receive during the year, after the year. How much amount of sale, how much amount of purchase, because these are small event transactions, those are completed in a 3 or 4 lines, but it is not a possible for the business. In the business, those are running full year throughout the year, selling and buying and paying the expenses, receive the income, purchasing of assets, sale of assets, pay the liabilities. So lot of transactions are inside the business. So how it is possible? But it is a duty for the owner, it is a responsibility of the owner. They want to be know how much amount they will be able to pay and how much amount they will receive at the end of the financial year, and how much amount of sale, how much amount of purchase at the end of the financial year, and how much amount they are total expenses and how much are total incomes. They want to be know about doing to all the business transactions after the year, because they will take a decision for about the expansion of business, for a development of business, and for bang up the business. My point is clear. They will take a decisions after the knowing about to all the investments, because the owner are doing an investment is a 1 lakh and a 80,000, and those person are investment the capital inside the business. They want to be know about the business conditions. And one more question is rising is how much they have gained or lost. It means they want to be know about the profit or loss after the year, after the end of the financial year. The owner want to be know about the they have to be gain or they have to be lost, or how much profit they have to be gain or how much loss. If they have to be gain a profit, so they want same thing, they want to be think for about the expansion of business. If they are gaining a loss, so they want to be think about the change of a business or a bankrupt of a business. So they have to be need of a few process. They will pick up a few steps. First process is identification of business transactions. Under this process, the owner will be identified to all the business transactions. Those are a nature of monetary terms. Those effects are involving the economic activities. So the owner will be identified to all the transactions. Those transactions are shown to the monetary terms. It means those are transactions with the amount, just like for our investment, the capital purchase 40,000, goods sold 40,000, personal withdrawal for the firm for 5,000, purchase cash for 30,000. These all are business transactions because these are under for the monetary terms or money terms. Next is your recording. Next process is recording. All the transactions the owner will be record under the recording in the specified format. It is called a journal. All the transactions will record in a single place under the journal. Those entities are belonging to the purchase, sale, expenses, assets, income. These all are entities. These are transactions are recorded under the journal. And those are large business, big business. They have to be maintained of a subsidiary books for the recording the transactions of the business. Those transactions are recorded. Those transactions are nature of the cash transactions. It is recorded under the cash book. Those transactions are purchased from the, just like for example, purchase goods for Gopal. It is the credit purchase. So these purchases are recorded under the purchase book. Those transactions are sale goods to the customer to the credit basis. It is recorded under the sale book. So under the recording, we will record all the entries. Next process there. So student, next process is classifying. Classifying those entries we have to be record under the journal. These journal will be classified into a different categories or accounts under the account of ledger. It is called a ledger. In the ledger, we will record all the transactions or the journal in the chronicle order. Chronicle order means date wise. All the ledger will maintain a chronicle order. Those entries will pass in the journal in the single places. So these entries will be categorized into different types of the account. Just like for all the purchase entries of the organizations will be recorded in the account of purchase account. The point is understood. Those entries are related to the sale. So sale entries, all the sale entries are recorded in the head of sale account. Expenses on the head of expenses account, head of income account are posted in the ledger. So my dear friends, one question is rising is there after the identification, recording in the journal, classifying in the ledger. The owner can know about the conditions of the business, how much profit, how much loss they have to be gained in the business. They can know about by this three process. I think no. The owner can know about the profit and loss by these three transactions, because in this journal the owner has to be record the ledger, the record to all the entries in the specified account, specified head, and in this three process it is not possible that identify the calculate of the loss and the profit. So the owner will be accept a next process. It is called a summarizing. Summarizing. Under the summarizing is the work is there by the owner or the specified persons, those are having knowledge of the accounting. Is the first work is there total of ledger. Total of ledger. After the total of ledger, next work is there maintain a trial balance. Trial balance. On the behalf of trial balance, next account we prepare trading and profit and loss account. So this is a work for the summarizing. The ledger will be transferred to the next head to the summarizing. Under the summarizing, the total of the ledger, trial balance maintaining, and on the behalf of trial balance, the next account we prepare trading and profit and loss account. So trading and profit loss account are show the profit or loss, and the trading and profit loss account will be transferred to the next process. Next process is analysis and interpretation. Analysis and interpretation. Those profit are gaining after the summarizing, the profit will be transferred to the analyzing for the analyze to the operating and the financial activities. Because the profit earned by the operating activities, the owner will be analyzed of the profit. And interpretation, the accounting will be interpreting to the users, those are internal or those are external. We will discuss this topic ahead of this chapter. Interpretation, those are users, just like for owners, shareholders, debenture holder, creators. So interpret to the reports, to the analysis. Next process there, after the analyzing and interpretation to the users or the shareholders, next is there communication. Communication. So my dear students, accounting is a language of art, because by the accounting the soundness of the firm will be shown in the society in front of the shareholders. Those person are invest the amount inside the firm. So it is a need for the communication. So communicate to the external or internal users. External, those are share creators, shareholders, debenture holder or investors. So they have to be communicate to about the conditions or soundness of the firm. So it was a process. By this process, the owner can know about the business are gaining a profit or the loss. Next topic is there definition of accounting. So students, next topic is definition of accounting. After the explanation of process, these process are guide to for learning the definition. This is a prescribed definition. Those are given by the American Institute of Certified Public Accounting. The definition is accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner. So, friends, you have to follow this process at the time of the process of accounting. First process was recording, classifying, summarizing. So, same thing is here. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner. Significant means in a proper manner, in a adjusted manner. It means all the process a proper account. In this account will posted to all the transactions in a significant manner and in terms of money. Only we record the money terms and events which are in the part at least of financial character. It is a compulsory. All the monetary terms, those are part of financial character, will record at the time of recording, classifying, and the summarizing. Financial character and interpreting the result thereof. After summarizing, it is a compulsory for the analysis and the interpretation. So same thing is here, and interpreting the result thereof, because on the behalf of this result, the owner will take the decision for the expansion and for the development of the business. But main thing is there, in this accounting will consider only for the financial character. Those are non-monetary terms, non-financial character will not to be used for the time of accounting. So definition is accounting is a term of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and event which are in part at least of financial character and interpreting the result thereof. So friend, it was the definition and process and the need of accounting today we have discussed in this class in the part 6. Next video class we will continue the objective importance of the accounting. Thank you, friends.
Do self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.